I-praise team lingamangali icula le ngoma ngezilimi. Mighty Jesus. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mama Lindy. That was so wise and profound and powerful. Si sayothandaza lento ibalekile wena ungayithatha kancane uma umfundisi wayethi mayishumayela ave athi harabashana athi uJesu uyakhuphuka harabashana athi kena wayasindisa vele athi harabashana athi ngiyanibingelela baze harabashana Sunday school awudlali njalo bathi nangu umfundisi uyadlula bathi usho umuntu harabashana. So zibalekile izilimi but kubaleke kakhulu ukuthi ube nencazelo yazo zihlukene ke izilimi funa siyothandaza khona lezi zakho when you pray uwedwa you edify yourself khona lezi zezingelosi mazehlisiwe ngizibone kakhulu Assemblies of God uthi kulabashaya bakho izikhulumi ezingelosi bese kusuka umuntu athi kena nguJehova uNkulunkulu wenu interprete lokho kushiwo izilimi. Mighty Jesus sesiyomthandazweni for every move of God uNkulunkulu usuke kube khona into ayikhulumayo ungajabulela ukuthi kena uNkulunkulu bekakuningi ukuthandaza uzukhale ubhucuze phansi so bhucuzile phansi vula indlebe kamuntu uthi uNkulunkulu ngale move ufuna ukuthini what do you want to say ngalomnyakazo ufuna ukuthini there is a gift yokukhuluma ngezilimi there is a gift of prophecy khulumeni izipho ezimbili ngamalini isipho sezilimi isipho sesiprophet hayi lo prophetha izwa bethi so zwile ukuthi ubani uphele umsebenzi so vela ngezi prophet I see because I saw becoming and utshele kahle ukuthi yazibizana ngizile ukuthi uthophelela umsebenzi ngiyakuthandazisa ukuthi umsebenzi ungathi I see bathi kena mhlawumbe ukusisa indawo zesizwe bathi a man of God I see something happening there shut up isigebengu sekhona musuku ukhuluma mama futhi siyathandaza manje futhi lento yokuprofetha Mama Lindy umprofetha akabi yedwa ecaweni mawuthi so prophetile mfundisi uBhanda lo munye umprofethi makayiconfirm my confirm into yakho nalo mprofethi omunye makakuphikise ukuthi hayi lento uwo khulumayo ya bampikisi bathi umoya akashongo njalo umoya akashongo njalo laba ngifisa ukuhlangana nalabo abaprofetha abantu amaseli number wabo sikhulume ngibe ne one on one nabo ngithi angifuna into eningi angena umuntu odlala amalotho kodwa ngizwa kuthiwa yini izingamba eziyi6 the man of God uNkulunkulu ekuthatha ku10 mina nginikezele 6 siyoidlala ngalelo langa ilotho ngoba kugangiwe ngesiprofeto yazi kwenziwani lapha nibhale i-attendance register wabhala inamba yakho wabhala negama lakho bese sigebengu se-Asha sithatha le information sinikeza umfundisi I see somebody with the 076555555 umama uza sekakhaya it's me man of God but man of God I see something but God papa your mom is a female yes papa and your father is a male come on somebody can I pro shut up Jericho God asimelene nesiphiwo sokuprofetha. Siyasiza kakhulu isiphiwo sokuprofetha. Futhi bagangile kakhulu. Zonke zihamba namasidi. Ayipheli nje ingakafaka ngesidi. You know what, as I saw your number and then you got on 9, they should be seed. Yes, Papa. Abantu bambayafa ngenxa yokuswela ulwazi. However, is prophet osiyasisiza ibandla elingenawo umprofeti liyoshayisa lihlaselwe izinto, but now umprofeti uzotshela ukuthi bazalwane mase kunje, this is how we ought to pray. Sizobhekana nempi ekanje. Then we are prepare as a church. Lithi izwi lenkosi sakhiwe phezu kwesisekelo sabapostoli nabaprofeti, and Jesus being the chief cornerstone. Kanti osuke eshumayela makemela usuke prophet. Mawulokhu ushumayela izwi uvana uprofeta. Yazi ubona ngani ukuthi uvane prophet ashumayele izwi bese uthi yo yazi this minister wazi wakhuluma nempilo yabo. That's prophecy. That's prophecy. When we eliminate prophecy in the house of the Lord, abazalwane sizokhonza nabo bese bahamba bayogula, bahamba bayohlola. Abantu abalahlekelwe izinto abaye endini yenkosi because abaprofeti siyababulala. Bayobuza kwabanye bathi izinkomo zami zishone kuphi, imoto yami ishone kuphi. But where are those who will listen to the voice of God? And abaprofeti abakhulumi intando yabantu, bakhuluma intando kaNkulunkulu. Abazoprofetha lento wena oyifunayo, bazoprofetha lento uNkulunkulu ayifunayo. Ngicina nganakho ukuthi ngiphusha uMamalini la uthiwa honor the Lord, you will be established. They say honor the words of the prophets, you will prosper. Some of the prophetic words also are receiver, they will change your destiny. Prophets addresses your destiny. Mina ngafika kubabukhuzwayo zingishayile izinto zobizo ngenza ngikhala bavele wathi babukhuzwa one way wathi uNkulunkulu akamlahla wecebo lakhe hamba mlungisi wenze umsebenzi wenkosi. Mangiphuma lapho, that was the word I needed for my season. UNkulunkulu akamlahla wecebo lakhe. You might be going through things, avela show one way, fear not, for the Lord is with you. Uthi ke nakusasa excited, uthi ke niya interview, maybe you are confused, uthi ke angazi ngithathe lena offer, and then a prophetic word comes, angazi ukuthi you are interview, athi le offer le kubeka ngathi yinhle, don't take it. The Lord says take this one. Prophetic utterance, direct us. Noma sithandaza nababekwa ku pulpit kumele siba bishop Slala, siyabacela kuNkulunkulu babubani uzoba MC prophetically bambulwe uthi inkosi noma engenamali kodwa ukhethwe uwe, noma engenagama kodwa ukhethwe uwe. Sikhathele ukumela amadoda ngenxa ukuthi banikela kakhulu enkonzweni, sekubele bame because yibona abakhipha ama 10,000 enkonzweni noma bengenaNkulunkulu sibamise ngenkani. Afaka umntwana ku praise team noma engakwazi ukuhlabelela ngenxa yokuthi ingane yemele. Shut up. Siyathandaza ukuthi inkosi ivuse iziphiwo zezilimi. Okunye futhi bamalindi izilimi azifundiswa uyababona laba baye eBible school ithi ra ri azifundiswa zithi maze uthi mayehla umoya engcwele uthi ufuna ukukhuluma ukuthandaza in your understanding ilimi lakho livele likhipha okunye wena usitshela ukuthi you are praying in understanding and you are praying in spirit. Yes. Ngiyazibona lezi abo Rama Rondo siyabakera siyabakunda siyabakhathela ngiyazibona lena Shima mama ngiyazibona lezo but there are divine tongues. Ngiyazibona lezi ze sanibona mama lini marusenzana ngiyazibona lezi keyboard azivela vele nje zifuna lezi lena keyboard mingekho nazo ziyathutha sibhekile nje sithulile sibhekile nje sithulile sithi mayibonge inkosi esibili siyaya ekhaya siyaya hayi ukuthi asibone sihlele phansi sithi baye Jesu kwamnandi eJeswini akusi keyboard ro kiki ayihambi keyboard ziyathutha izilimi nenye into yabona nje uma ngikhuluma kanje banye bathi waze wabanda ibandla lifundiswe kabi ukuthi umoya engcwele uyehla bekehlile sesi bekehlile
baphatha ama-thermometer
bathi umoya engcwele wehlile yabona mhlanje onzweni wehlile thize umoya azazincoma ngithize mangicala ngidumisa uvele kwehla umoya engcwele umoya engcwele uyehla uhlale khona is omnipresent njengoba ukhona akehli akahambi is always present wena mawuthi wehlile usubona imanifestation maka manifesta uthi wehlile akehlanga uyakhuluma noma une relationship naye uyakhuluma naye ngaphandle kwe-chorus manje mase kusokwenza la akuphendula all right no it's fine then you are okay akudingi ukuthi uzuthi but it does happen when umoya engcwele ekwehlela ugcina ungasakhona ukuzicontrola ugcina sokhala sometimes abanye they receive a spirit of laughter abanye bagcine beshayeka phansi. We are praying ukuthi uNkulunkulu makavuse abaneziphiwo zokukhuluma ngelimi naba nisipho sokuprophet kuthiwa he who desire a gift let him ask from uNkulunkulu. Yabona njengoba umelene nabantu bama-tongues uthi ke na wena angeke wakhuluma ama-tongues vele uNkulunkulu angeke akunikeze mabasiqala sesikhuluma